They made me sign a waiver. Now it's time for go-kart. Woo! This is the best ramen in the world. Osaka, the food capital and the second largest city in Japan. It's even known to be a better destination than Tokyo. So in this video, we're going to show you exactly why. Welcome to Osaka, the food capital of Japan. And because it's the food capital, we are on an important quest.
Yes.
It's our mission to find the best takoyaki,
okonomiyaki,
and ramen. And we were told by a reliable source that this place right here is the best place, not just in Osaka, not just in Japan, but in the entire world for these dishes and more, which we're super excited for.
Yes.
We're here in the
Dotonbori district.
Yeah, Dotonbori district. Absolutely beautiful. It's undescribable.
Yeah.
Very high energy, very
Definitely.
cool. And we're hungry. We hope you are too. So let's go.
All right, looks like we found a pretty good takoyaki place. Of course, there's a line, but I feel like it's gonna be worth it. So, takoyaki is actually octopus, so pieces of octopus in a dough that gets grilled. And then we got the traditional of this place that had sauce and mayonnaise on top. And then they sprinkle, I'm not sure, but it's something fishy as well, like these little like shavings of something over here. All right, it smells good. I'm super excited. Here we go.
All right, my turn. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, I thought it was gonna be way harder.
I
It's
know.
a bit
It's 'cause it's
soft
soft.
like a crab cake. It kind of like, well, try not to yell. We're disturbing other people, but see that? Oh my gosh, steaming. Wow, wow, wow. All right, here we go. Too good. Was a teriyaki.
Yes. Okay, now you have to
This is so good.
and you have to like, look, you got
Yeah. And what better way to wash down takoyaki than with melon Fanta? That's what this is called. I've never seen this before. It must be a Japanese thing. You know, melons are pretty big here. Oh, that's refreshing.
Oh wow, you liked it.
Oh, that's so good. That actually tastes so similar, like Tahitian tree or that blue blast from Taco Bell. Wow, that's refreshing. Oh my god.
Okay, what was better, the melon Fanta or the takoyaki?
Together, it's the combination together, not one or the other.
Ooh, okay.
It has to be together. They're both incredible. McDonald's, baby. All right, so Allie and I never come to McDonald's when we're abroad, but we were told by a local, you have to try the Japanese teriyaki burger at McDonald's. It's out of this world. My expectations are low, but of course, we're gonna try, so you don't have to, so let's go. Yeah, there it is. Teriyaki McBurger. That's what we're going for. Yes. Yes. What it looks like. There we go. Less than 600 yen. Burger with ice cream. Here it is. First of all, oh wow. Oh wow. Very messy. So obviously a patty covered in this teriyaki sauce. Super teriyaki. Wow. Looks good though. It actually looks better than a regular McDonald's burger. Don't know how I'm gonna eat it. Oh. That's really good.
Really?
That's really good.
Oh yeah. All right, no idea what this is called, but it looks like a waffle with cheese inside. It's warm, and I love, love, love how they make everything look pretty. Seriously, good job, Japan. Here we go. That was a huge letdown.
It's not good?
It's like dough only. I thought I was gonna get like the cheese.
Yeah, try another bite. Maybe it's more in the middle.
Okay. Second chances. Okay.
Wow. Whoa.
Okay. Redeemed. Let's see. Okay. It's exactly what I hoped it was. Very, very good. 10 out of 10.
And on our quest, we have found some okonomiyaki. The chef looked like he spent some time on this masterpiece. It is a lot. It's like this savory pancake that's got pork, octopus as well, some kind of
Toppings.
I don't even know what these toppings are, like a teriyaki sauce, fish, shavings, maybe some mayo. So it looks kind of like a beautiful hot mess, and we're gonna dive in. Looks like the top here is like a harder kind of shell. I don't know if you can kind of see.
Yeah.
So it kind of makes it harder, like it kind of just comes off there.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me try to get a little bit of both. That was way better than I expected. Whoa.
Yes.
All right, the best way I can describe this, that top, wow, this is good. And I'm not making this up, like, I'm shocked. I kind of looked at it, I'm like, I'm gonna be honest, if it's not that appetizing, but I'm gonna be honest for the camera. I was kind of like, oh, maybe this won't be good. And I ate it, I'm like, which is so common in Japan. You see something that looks really good, and maybe it's good, but not the best, and something that looks okay, and it's amazing. This is one of the best foods I've had in our entire, 10 days in Japan. This might be number one. I give it 10 out of 10. And aside from all of the food, the fun, the technology, there is this very historic, cultural, and other beautiful side of Osaka. We're here outside of Osaka Castle, legitimately one of the grandest, not just castle, but castle complexes I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Compared to even European castles, this is...
Yeah, the moat alone, I've never seen a bigger one. Like, it's just...
Yeah, the moat.
Moat. What did I say?
I don't know, I just want to make sure.
Anyways,
You're good. No, the moat.
It's
the moat.
so
Huge.
wide and deep. Yeah, it's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Yeah, this has never been penetrated, and it was crazy. As an American, remembering this area underwent World War II, Americans actually dropped bombs on this exact area. This is one of the largest armories in World War II in Japan. U.S. bombers came over this area, dropped bombs, people died here. It's kind of crazy, thinking about all of this.
Do not discard Osaka, because when we were planning this trip, we didn't even know if we were gonna make it here, and now I'm so glad we included it.
I know, because we learned from people that we talked to, people who've lived here, they're like, oh yeah, Osaka's better than Tokyo. I was like, oh, Osaka's amazing. I'm like, okay, we have to check it out.
Yeah.
We are now here in Kuromon Market, kind of the premier or main market here in Osaka, searching for more unique and delicious Japanese food. So many smells.
I know.
So many shops.
So many things on our list that we want to find. So
yeah, but this is the place to find it. So let's go. So here in Osaka, we are extremely short train ride away from Kobe, Japan, home of Kobe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but Kobe beef, the highest form of Wagyu. So this is the best place in Osaka to get Wagyu, or Kobe, basically. Oh, it smells amazing. All right, and he said to eat it quick, so let's go. Very good, texture, flavor, but I will say it's a little bit bland, but he did say that it's traditional, you want to put on a little bit of this. Was it paprika?
Oh, yes.
I mean, if it's here, then I guess the locals do it, right? So we'll do that. Salt and pepper. Right. Round two, right? Totally different. That's so good. Now I know why. He was like, yo, put on seasoning. And I'm like, no, let's just eat it plain.
This is the best scallop I've ever had.
It smells so good.
Look at that.
Now, Kobe beef burger. Cheers.
Cheers.
There's one sweet we've been looking for since we arrived in Japan, and that is mochi. Now, you can find different kinds of mochi. Usually they're like open with like a strawberry inside, something like that, but not this traditional type. This specifically is called daifuku, and that means there's some sort of filling. So we each got different flavors. I got strawberry with chocolate because it's always the best. So let's try it out. Ooh, so soft. I can already feel it. Oh my gosh. The dough, the texture of the dough is amazing. Temperature, because sometimes it's too frozen when you get like the ones in like grocery stores. Oh my gosh, seriously, you have to get it. We finally found it here, Kuromon Market at Mitoya.
Holy crap, this is so good. And now it's time for go-kart. Woo!
Yay! That's so cool, and it's the most beautiful views of Osaka.
Okay, so Allie and I are here in what we've been told is the best ramen restaurant in Osaka by a secret and reliable informant. Seriously, we cannot tell you who told us this.
Total insider tip.
For certain reasons. And this is the only place you're probably gonna find this online. There are no foreigners here. There's a line out the door. We are here at the premium human beings,
Everybody
noodles restaurant in Osaka. That's the exact translation from Japanese to English.
Yeah.
We had to wait outside, place our order outside,
Yeah.
and basically there's a few different types of ramen to choose from, so we chose a couple
Yeah.
to try to really make sure that we get the best experience here, because obviously there's a ton of hype around this place.
Yeah.
It's obviously busy, but we're gonna give you our honest review of this ramen.
So excited.
Super excited, so let's
eat.
All right, so Allie had the original, which is obviously more like the original, a bit clearer broth, where I have what they call the micro, which is a way more condensed broth, like stronger. Visually, this looks awesome. I'm also starving, so that could play into it. But we're gonna keep this honest. All right, I gotta get, for me, I love meat. I gotta get a piece of meat, so I don't really know exactly how to use this. I also don't know exactly how to use chopsticks, but bro, here we go. Here we go. There's a lot of hype. Okay. Wow. That's really good. That's really, really good. I would say the one negative, this one's a little bit salty. Let me get another bite. That was really good though. The quality of the beef, everything in here looks very good quality. Like the noodles, the beef, the egg, the broth. Oh my gosh. That's good. That's good. Okay, because the second bite, I got way more of that broth in there. Wow, it's a lot of flavor packed in.
god. That is so good. The best ramen I've ever had.
10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Human beings, premium, everybody noodles.
When in Japan, you have to experience sumo culture. However, we are currently out of sumo fighting season, but we still were able to book this event, which is a sumo experience. Not sure what that means.
I have no idea.
It's in a very interesting event space.
Yeah, it took us forever to get here. We had to go through a mall, underneath a tunnel, up an elevator, and yeah, it looks like
It's about to start.
It's been about to start for like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So we just decided to record now.
And we got some food, some drinks, great company, of course, and great seats. Oh my god.
Yeah, check out the seats. Literally, look at that. Right in front, baby. Said if anyone wants to challenge the sumos to come up and submit your name.
Yeah, Sumner's gotta go.
Alright, so we got 20 looks. 7 people, 5 more people, you get a 5 more people.
They made me sign a waiver. It says no, not liable for any risk.
A few moments later.
What's coming up?
Sumner's number was just called and he's gonna fight one of the sumo wrestlers. Oh my gosh, we gotta see what this is gonna be.
4, and what's her name?
Sumner,
Oh, Sumner. Where from?
United States.
U.S. Are you ready to represent the U.S.?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Who do you want to fight with? You can take, you can choose what color.
So, who do I want to fight?
Yes.
Toma.
Alright, Toma! Toma's out! Toma, I'm so happy! Alright, watch out. Alright, let's start from bowing each other. Nice, let's go to the center. And let's do Shiko, the legs moving. When the legs down, everybody let's say Yoisho together. Come on, let's say Yoisho! Very nice, let's cheer for them. Let's say Yoisho! Alright, Sammy, put your face on the ground. Let's get ready. Put your both face on the ground. Come on, let's go lower. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Which you've been seeing all over Japan.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Eric's already got started making some new friends. Really fun city and a little bit crazy.
Alright, leave it Happy birthday